Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add interest on your Clubhouse account. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. Clubhouse is an audio-only social media platform and it is only available on iOS right now. In order to create an account, you have to get an invitation from your friend who is using Clubhouse. This will very recently launch to the whole world, and you can easily create an account without any invitation. Now let me show you how you can add interest on your Clubhouse account. First, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on top right corner. Then tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Here you will see interest. Tap on that. And here you will see many interests depending on various topics. Now I'll just quickly select some interest. By adding interest to your account, you will get to see the rooms which are similar with your interest topics. And when you are done, go back. And that's how you can add interest on your Clubhouse account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.